Welcome to this technical guide on the Acer N15Q1. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Acer N15Q1 only works when plugged in, it likely means that the battery has degraded and can no longer hold a charge. This is a common issue with laptops as they age. If left unaddressed, it could lead to further complications, such as damage to the motherboard or other critical components. To carry out this battery replacement, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement battery for the Acer N15Q1. First, ensure your device is turned off and unplugged. Place the laptop on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Begin by using the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back cover. Take your time with this step to avoid breaking any clips. Once the back cover is off, locate the battery. It is usually situated near the center of the laptop. You will see several screws securing the battery in place, typically 4. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws, placing them in a safe location. Now, gently lift the battery out of its compartment. Be cautious of any cables attached to the battery. If there are any, make sure to disconnect them gently. Once the old battery is removed, take your new battery and position it in the same compartment. Reconnect any cables, ensuring they are secured properly. Now, replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them just enough to hold the battery in place without over-tightening, which could damage the device. After that, replace the back cover by aligning it properly and pressing down until it clicks into place. Before you power on your device, make sure everything is secure. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you charge your laptop regularly and avoid letting the battery deplete completely too often. Regular maintenance and care will extend the life of your battery and device. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.